Basically I just want to keep this as quick and easy as possible. This is for the wheel settings and everything else that you need for one of these speedometers. So first of all, make sure it says trip at the top. That's very important, otherwise if it's on the other setting it'll just change the time, which is good to know for later on. So hold down your left button like so, and I'll start saying ID. Change this ID with the right button for the first digit to 750. So do 7, press the left button, then the right button up to 5. Hold down the left button again, and this will let you in to this section here. This is your wheel circumference settings. So the way this works is that you measure the entire radius of your wheel in millimeters or centimeters. I measure mine in millimeters and then rounded it up to the nearest centimeter. So if you press select again, it goes on to the next setting. Once you go through all 3 numbers, this is your pulses. So this is normally the amount of magnets that you use. So you see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1. So you can put 10 magnets on if you want. I think mine's set to 2 for the type of speedo that I use. This is other settings you shouldn't really have to worry about. And your fuel settings there. To save all that, hold down the left button. All saved. My password said it was 035 in the instructions, so I know there's probably going to be people out there who's having the same trouble. I got my details off a manufacturer's website, so the ID is not 035, it's 750, and that's how you configure your settings. Nice, quick and easy. So this has helped you out in any way, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.